wooden marble maze can be transformed into a review game for the books and categories of the Bible. This is a wonderful challenge for your students as they compete against each other to see who can travel the farthest on the maze while saying the books of the Bible out loud as they encounter them. Each shape has the first letter of the book to prompt your students' memory, with the added bonus of each of the 10 categories of the Bible distinctly set apart with a different color. To make one for your classroom, you will need all-purpose glue, tweezers, a small foam paintbrush, and 10 different colors of scrap paper or cardstock. Using a punch of your choice, cut 66 shapes, color-coding them by category if desired. Write the first letter of each book on each shape. Marble mazes come in a variety of sizes with differing number of holes, so you'll need to figure out where to glue your shapes based on the size of your maze. However, the book of Micah is smack dab in the middle of the list of Old and New Testament books. I suggest that you place this book in the middle of the maze so that you can visually see where to place the remaining pieces. You might need to skip some space now and then for a more pleasing, even arrangement of your books. Tap down your glued pieces with a pair of tweezers so that they lie flat, and dab the excess glue with your foam brush. It is assumed that your students have some knowledge of the order and pronunciations of the book. But with the first letters of the books given as clues, this makes it an excellent resource to keep in your classroom as a review game. You might even want to keep a chart on the wall designating how far they got in the maze. This can be an ongoing weekly challenge with the added bonus of solidifying the order of the books of the Bible.